Like thinking emoji, the brain exploding.
Just a thumbs up for hopefully improvement.
So my name is Sweta Kesi and my major is computer science and I am from Nepal.
Hi everyone, my name is Tia. My major is international development and cooperation and I'm from Myanmar.
So my name is Jasur and I'm majoring in finance. I'm in business school and I'm from Uzbekistan.
So hello, my name is Taeyoung Kwang. I'm from South Korea here. I'm an artificial intelligence major.
I'm Ken Arsenal from the Philippines. I'm currently a PhD candidate here at Korea University, taking English language education.
So my research interest is automatic testing or debugging. So right now I'm interested in game testing. So currently I'm looking for my research topic.
So my research interest is in the water governance, especially in the Mekong region, and my focus is in Vietnam.
My core research interest is why some countries well developed while others are on the way, I can say that, developing. And in this sense, how this finance can have a role to have an economic development, particularly with the development of their financial system.
The first one would be like thinking emoji. And the second one would be like stress with the and the third one is the happy emoji.
I think the emoji would be the one with the brain exploding, because that's me every single day or in my thesis writing. Another thing would be the crying emoji, the one with crying nonstop. But the last emoji would be the star, the shining part. At least I hope my future is bright because I wrote a thesis. I hope so. Fingers crossed.
First would be like very happy. Second would be like thinking, and third would be like, oh, I did it, something like this way.
I will put a robot emoji for AI and brain image for the dementia. And just a thumbs up for hopefully improvement of the outcomes.
Thank you. That would be the crazy emoji, because I know I'm in research, in the beginning you will feel overwhelmed. And then the second one would be the happy emoji, like the celebration emoji. Because once you're done with the writing and once you've defended your thesis or you've already published your article, then it's just the most exciting thing in the world. And then the third one would be the salute emoji. Because I think everybody, all graduate students who have done their research, all those who have published, deserve a salute.